Hi there. Today I'm talking about when you inherit money. Now, this is not about when you are managing an estate or when you're an executor. That's a different topic completely. This is going to just talk about when you are the beneficiary of some money. Maybe you were expecting it, maybe you weren't, but there are three important things for you to know as a beneficiary before you do anything. So I want you to remember the three T's. The first one is taxation. You may or may not be subject to tax on the inheritance that you are getting, and it's really important that you ask about that before you make any decisions. So be sure to ask, are you inheriting an IRA? Are you inheriting investments? Are you inheriting an annuity or insurance product? And have the person explain to you what that means as far as taxation. If you're talking to a financial person who isn't quite sure, talk to a CPA. Talk to me. Talk to someone who is familiar with the process and can give you some clear answers about what to expect taxation-wise, because it's not black and white. So ask those questions. The second T is timeline. Ask about what your requirements are, what you have to do in what period of time. Congress changed these laws really significantly a few years ago, and most financial professionals know about this, but the public doesn't. So make sure you're asking, how much do you have to take out each year? Do you have to take out something each year? Often now, the account has to be emptied within a 10-year time frame, but those rules are different depending on your situation. So ask about timeline and the requirements that might change what you decide to do with your inheritance. The third T I want you to remember is talk. Don't feel pressured into making decisions, certainly not in the first meeting when you're first told about what you are inheriting. Take a time out and time to talk. Talk not only with financial professionals who can help you navigate nuts and bolts, but also talk with other people in your life who might be affected by this, your family, other people who might have some kind of relationship with you. Inheritance often affects your relationships and your emotions and psychology, and just a lot of other stuff can be involved. So take a moment just to acknowledge that, to give yourself permission to feel through that. In another video, I talk about certified financial transitionists. We are taught about this side of money, and when you inherit money, that's really important. So make sure you take a little bit of time for yourself and talk to some other people in your life before you make any decisions. So the key takeaway here is to give yourself some time. Don't make irrevocable decisions, because with inherited accounts, usually what it means is once you've made a decision, proceeded with a path of action, signed a piece of paper, it's usually irrevocable. So you can't have a do-over when you decide that you want to do something differently. There's no rush on these usually, so take some time, ask these 3 T questions, and reach out to us if you have any questions that I can help you with. Hope this was helpful. Hope you have a good day. Take care.